to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today I am back with a makeup organization video, and I'm very excited because I haven't updated my makeup drawers in a while, so it is a little bit chaotic in there. There's makeup here and there, and it's definitely getting harder for me to find my products in the mornings. So I am very excited to finally get to organize them. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome. If you're new around here, I'm Fabiola, and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I also love to blog. So make sure to follow me on my blog, FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. I recently did like a quick little makeover on it. I think everything looks more better and easier to navigate. There's also lots of useful information, so make sure to check it out, and also don't forget to subscribe. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So to help me with organizing, I do have these 3 organizers from POLARWHALE. These are made out of this very strong, durable foam. They are waterproof, and these here, you guys, fit the IKEA drawers. So I am so excited. My makeup is going to look so fantastic after everything is organized. I can't wait to show you guys the before and after picture. So I do have 3 of them, and I will leave you the exact links on where you can find these 3 products as well as many others. They do have like other organizers as well. You can literally use this for like so many different things, but I do have these here which are for makeup, and they are so amazing because they are very nice and they are like deep, so you can definitely fit a lot of things in here. Let's go ahead and start organizing. I'm going to show you guys very quickly what my mess looks right now, and then as we organize, you're going to see the results. No, I never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. So I finally finished organizing all my IKEA drawers. I can't wait so you guys see the skincare drawer, which was the most messy of them all. Ta-da! Look at it now. I can't even like believe my eyes. I can see all the products, everything in here. It's so well organized, and I love it because it has like spaces for you to put like your face creams, your serums. It also has this like long one right here, and this is where I put like my face creams or anything that's like big and you can't really stand up. And then I have like some face masks over here, some more products. But I really love how this drawer looks. I cannot believe it. So this drawer here is where I had like all my foundations. And look at the drawer now. It looks so nice. I can see everything that I have. These are all like different highlighters, and here's just some brands so you guys can see for reference like what fits inside the organizers. You can literally fit so many different brands. I have like Too Faced, I have MAC, Pixie, NARS. Even like these little ones fit in here great. And then the middle part right here is so nice because you can put in your foundations. So I have like the MAC one. I think this one's like L'Oreal, Smashbox. And I even have this like primer that fits great because they're all standing up now, so I don't have to be like searching through a box. And then on the other side here is where I keep all my bronzers. So these are all bronzers. And then over here, I have more products. Look how beautiful these look. I can see everything, and I'm not gonna have to be struggling in the mornings finding my products. So this organizer here is great because you can really put so many different products in here. As you can see here, I have some lip balms, some lipsticks. I even have these perfumes They're like similar to Scentbird. These are called the Luxe SB, but they fit so perfect in here. I am quite surprised how many things you can fit in there. So I put all my perfumes in here. And then over here I have my blushes. I told you guys I don't really have that many blushes, but you can definitely fit so many brands in here. I have some Too Faced ones, Tarte, Milani, MAC. Over here I have some like lip scrubs, some more lip balms, and then over here I have these blushes from Milani. These are just a little bit wider, so these do not fit in here, but there is like slots for them here, which is great. So this side here you can either use for like lipsticks, or you can even use them for nail polishes. So I do have like this lipstick that is kind of weird shaped, and I never had like a space for it, so now I can put it here. I also have this like face mist from MAC, and I have some polishes. So look how awesome this is. You can like put your polishes in there. You can fit so much in here, and I'm just so happy that I have everything organized.
The engine, no, I never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something